Funky.
Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing and another size guide, size reference. To keep a very long story short, I was in an accident and I lost 30 kilos. So I wasn't going to buy any more clothing until I was back in my old size. And this just got me curious. I got a bunch of Alpha Industries jackets, but I only have the MA-1. And the MA-1 is not reversible. You can't wear it inside out, so it's not double padded. And it has longer arms, and I think also longer in general. So that's why I like the T21. And it does look bigger. And the thing that got me curious, because I got like, I think 10 of them in all bunch of colors. I actually don't have a blue one. And I used to be between XL and double XL. I just found that the Alpha Industries jackets were a bit smaller than even that. So I went with double XL. And the funny thing now is that on the site where I bought this one, the same MA-1, it says wears big, go down a size. And now I'm still not back, absolutely not. But I think I am a normal XL, which means that I should go down to a large. But I still took the double XL. And it actually does look, I'm gonna go get me another one. No, fits me just fine. Just fine. Just as normal. Alright, so I took a look in the mirror and yes, I think it looks bigger than normal, blah 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 blah. But I am also smaller than normal. So this, with the shoulders looking sort of big or not filled, is because I'm missing the muscles of the shoulders. So in this case, I should go with XL, I think, which is my normal size. But I want to show you, this is the two jackets that I wear the most. I'm guessing this is the oldest one. Still MA-1, it doesn't say anyway, but I know it is. And 2X large, so double XL. And I would wear this still today, and it fits me just like it did as new. Yeah, no problem there at all. And the hooded one, I think that this also is a MA-1. I think all of them that is not reversible, so you can wear it inside out, is TT1s. And I don't think I've worn this since the accident, but feels just right. So I'm gonna go back to the blue one that I sort of, this is too much now, because to explain it again, I used to be between XL, double XL. I have thought for many years that Alpha Industries is a bit small in their sizes. I go with MA-1 because they are longer in waist and longer in arms. Yeah, so that is that. Now this website told their customers that these are big, that you should go down a size. And I can't see that. So to explain again, I should now be a normal XL, and I think that I could do, it does actually feel different. It does. I could do with a normal XL. I would not try a large, but I won't return this double XL. But yeah, they are maybe slightly bigger than they used to be. And according to me, then that means that they are now more normal in size than they used to be. I hope this helps you out because it just got me dizzy. So I am today on XL. This jacket is a double XL, and I think I could do just fine with a standard XL. So I would go true to size. Yeah, that is the conclusion. I would go true to size with Alpha Industries nowadays. Before, I told everyone, no matter the size of them, big muscles or not, you should go up a size. So if you are XL, you should go double XL. But the website tells me if you are normally an XL, you should go down to large because large wears as an XL. Are you with me now? But I am a XL, I think. I haven't bought many clothes now because of this whole weight loss thing. I went with double XL because it just got me curious. I won't return it, absolutely not. I will grow in it, and I don't think the little I looked in the mirror, it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look too big. Or what do you think? But I would like to, if there are any store in Malmo where I live that has them in stock, I would like to try an XL just for fun, just to get the size reference. This video didn't teach you anything, and me neither. But I am 185 centimeters, 186 maybe, which is 6.1 feet. And I weigh today 91 kilos. I usually weigh 96 kilos, but up here now is 91 kilos down here. If you have any questions, I will do my best to answer them, but this is it. I think I'm a XL. I don't think this looks weird, and this is a double XL. If you want a slimmer look, go through the size. Am I saying too much now? I need to try an XL. But ordering online, go up a size. Yeah, that's the safe one. If you can't try it on in the store, like I did right now, I went with double XL because I used to be between XL and double XL in all clothing. And today, when I think that I am a standard XL, it looks a bit big. So go through to size or go up a size. I would not recommend you to go down a size. I would absolutely not think that a large would fit me. This is it for this video. I'm just too much, but they do look slightly bigger than they used to do, slightly. And I used to be between XL and double XL, so double XL fit me perfect. Yeah, I got a bunch of old videos of the Alpha Industries jacket, so I will link to them and somewhere and down in the description. But I don't think this looks bad. I'm missing the shoulder part because, yeah, but that's me. Lack of muscles, but they will come back, absolutely. Alpha Industries MA-1, that is not reversible, that is longer in waist, longer in arms. I went up a size. I went with double XL, even though I am now a standard XL. I've said the same thing now for 20 minutes. Thanks for watching.